Hey guys, my name is Itzel and I will be showing you the rubber egg experiment. The materials that you will need are white vinegar, an egg or multiple eggs, a tall glass cup or a jar, a measuring cup, and an apron. Now let's start the experiment. I pour in almost 2/3 of a cup of white vinegar into 2 raw eggs and 2 boiled eggs. Once you pour in the white vinegar into the eggs, there are bubbles being formed on the eggshell, which means that the acetic acid in the vinegar and the calcium carbonate in the eggshell produce carbon dioxide gas, which explains the bubbles being formed. So then I left the eggs for about 2 weeks. As you can see that the boiled egg right here, I didn't fill up enough white vinegar, so that's why it's like still floating. But that's how it looks so far. Now for this one did change. As you can see, it has a different color, like a nice warm tone. For this one I added a good amount of vinegar. The color did change, it's not completely white. Sadly the yolk popped out, but it's still in its yolk form, as you can see. On the second week I did another egg, as you can see, and I put it in the jar and put like a lot of vinegar this time to cover it fully. And as you can see, the eggshell is literally removing. So this one was the winner for sure so far. And then the next clip you will see me taking them out of the vinegar. It's now time to take the eggs out of the vinegar. You'll be needing a big bowl and gloves because it will get messy, and paper towels. The first eggs that I took out were the hard-boiled eggs. I was trying to peel it like if it was like a normal hard-boiled egg, but this time, since it has the vinegar, you can't eat it, of course. Once I opened both the eggs, the yolk was still there. The egg white, of course, you can see it's still attached. The only thing that was missing was the shell, of course. This is the one that the yolk popped out. Since the yolk popped out, the acetic acid did affect the yolk, because the egg yolk has a bit of copper and a bit of iron, and once you add the acetic acid, it did make an increase to the iron and copper that was in the egg yolk before. Now the next egg I will show you is truly the winner, because this is literally a rubber egg. I'm wiping off the eggshell that's already dissolved. As you can see, all you can see is the egg yolk that's inside the egg membrane, which how the vinegar, aka the acetic acid, broke up the calcium and the carbonate, which dissolved the shell, which is why it turned out to be like that. I was really hoping for this one to like turn out to be like the other one, but it didn't actually. I feel like it just needed more time as well, but it still changed, but it was like more squishy. It felt more delicate, and I accidentally dropped it and it popped, and this is how it looks like once it was popped. So out of 5 eggs that I have tested for 2 weeks, raw egg number 2 was the winner of transforming into a beautiful rubber egg. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and this experiment. It takes time to do it, but it's really worth it seeing it turn out to be a normal raw egg and then turn into a naked egg or a translucent egg with no shell. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for watching.